Hello friends, is your car running rough, misfiring, or losing power? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows P0273, it means there's a high voltage issue in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 5. This can cause engine hesitation, excessive fuel consumption, and black smoke from the exhaust. But don't worry. In this video we'll explain what P0273 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0273? P0273 is a fuel injector circuit high code for cylinder 5. This means the injector is receiving too much voltage, which can lead to overfueling, rough idling, and engine misfires. If left unchecked, this can damage the catalytic converter and lower fuel efficiency. Common symptoms of P0273: check engine light, CL, on. Engine misfires, especially in cylinder 5. Black smoke from the exhaust, running rich. Strong fuel smell, rough idling and hesitation, poor acceleration and increased fuel consumption. Ignoring this code can lead to long-term engine damage and costly repairs. Sensor location. Where to check? To diagnose and fix P0273, check these key components. Cylinder 5. Fuel injector, located on the intake manifold or cylinder head depending on the engine type. Fuel rail pressure sensor, mounted on the fuel rail, responsible for monitoring fuel pressure. Fuel injector wiring. Harness, runs between the ECU and the fuel injectors. A shorted wire can cause excessive voltage. Engine control unit, ECU, usually found in the engine bay or under the dashboard. It regulates injector voltage. Battery and alternator located in the engine bay. A faulty alternator can cause voltage spikes affecting the injectors. A malfunction in any of these components can trigger P0273. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0273 code. First up, we have a faulty or stuck fuel injector. This can spray too much fuel, leading to a rich condition. Next, shorted injector wiring. Damaged wires can send excess voltage to the injector. Then there's a malfunctioning fuel rail pressure sensor. Incorrect readings from this sensor can cause overfueling. Another possible cause is an ECU malfunction. The ECU may be supplying incorrect voltage to the injector. Lastly, alternator overcharging. Excess electrical current can affect the injector circuit. Now, let's go through the steps to fix the P0273 code. First, inspect and test the fuel injector for cylinder 5. Replace it if it's faulty. Next, check the fuel rail pressure sensor with an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the injector wiring harness for shorts, corrosion, or damage. After that, test the battery and alternator for proper voltage regulation. If necessary, scan and reset the ECU software. Finally, clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. P0273 is a serious issue that can lead to engine misfires, poor fuel economy, and catalytic converter failure if ignored. Fixing it early can save you from costly repairs. Want to learn more about fuel injector problems? Check out these next videos: P0221, Throttle Position Sensor Circuit Performance, and P0222, Throttle Position Sensor Circuit Low Input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.